I'm Aska Tanveer, and top stories from today are: in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has said that Narendra Modi-led regime measures like evicting locals from their lands and settling outsiders there are in clear violation of the United Nations resolutions in the internationally disputed territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said that India was completely disregarding the Kashmiris' right to decide their political future as per UN Security Council resolutions and instead taking measures to change the demographic composition of the occupied territory. The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Additional General Secretary Sheikh Mustafa Kamal, addressing party workers in Rajouri, said that the Bharatiya Janata Party government has pushed the Kashmiri people into an ocean of miseries. The chairman of Dogra Swabhiman Sanghatan Party, Chaudhry Lal Singh, talking to the media men in Jammu, said that the Indian authorities would not be allowed to snatch shelter and livelihood from Kashmiri people in the garb of anti-encroachment campaign. Meanwhile, the Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party activists led by Harshdev Singh held a protest demonstration in the Jammu against the anti-people policies of the occupation regime. The protesters cautioned the authorities to refrain from evicting the poor people from their lands. The protest was attended by hundreds of men, women and children. Indian troops launched a cordon search operation in Bhattadoria and adjoining areas of Poonch district. The troops sealed all entry and exit points and conducted house-to-house searches. Dr. Geneva-Fai, chairman of World Forum for Peace and Justice, addressing a webinar organized by Mirpur University of Science and Technology, called for invoking the 4th Geneva Convention in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian troops are committing crimes against humanity with complete impunity. The webinar concluded with a question and answer session.